Dear brethren in Christ, we are in the 13th Sunday of the Ordinary Time. The Holy Gospel presents us Jesus' healing power and the faith of the woman and Jairus, the synagogue leader. When the woman who was undergoing sickness believed in Jesus' power, and she said, "If I touch even his garment, I shall be made well." Jesus sees the deep faith of the woman and says, "Your faith has made you well." And to Jairus, whose daughter was dead, Jesus said to him, "Do not fear, only believe." So both miracles speak of salvation in Christ, where Jesus lifts everyone up from a situation of sickness and death. Two very different people came to Jesus by faith for help, but Jesus did more than solve their problems. Jesus helped them to deepen their faith and experience the power of faith which was beyond their imagination. Faith is the foundation for Christianity, for the life to come, but also for the life that is. What does this say to us as we live our life as a Christian today? Letter to Hebrews chapter 11 verse 6 says, "Without faith it is impossible to please God. For whoever would draw near to God must believe that He exists and that He rewards those who seek Him." Dear ones, Jesus does not want us to be shallow in understanding Him. Jesus wants us to know Him more and more deeply so that we may experience the fullness of His power, grace, and love. Sometimes, though we have faith in Jesus, we are overwhelmed by practical problems. We may feel trapped by our sinful desires, bad habits, or character flaws, as well as our circumstances. We feel that faith is one thing, but practical life is different. Furthermore, Jesus wants us to grow in our relationship with Him, to live a vibrant, dynamic, and victorious life. Jairus the man was rich. He realized that he was powerless to save her daughter. Sometimes when powerful people reach their limitation, they become extremely frustrated and filled with rage. But this man came to Jesus. Though his situation was desperate, he had awesome respect for Jesus. He was not demanding or impatient, but humbly asked Jesus' help. Obviously, Jesus' heart was moved by his humble plea. So Jesus went with him. Jesus is ready to help anyone who asks Him humbly. On the other hand, the woman was poor. She had no other choice to heal. So she kept saying to herself, "If I just touch His clothes, I will be healed." With every step she took, she had to overcome fear and doubt. Focusing on Jesus, how could she do that? It was only by faith. For them, Jesus seems to be their only hope. So they pleaded earnestly with Jesus. They believed that one touch from Jesus would heal them. But they had common factors. Each one had a very serious problem, and they brought this problem to Jesus by faith. They believed that Jesus would solve their problem. Dear ones, this suggests us that no matter what our background or problem, what matters is that we come to Jesus by faith. To Jesus, there is no human qualification, whether we are rich or poor, educated or uneducated, well-known or unknown. Jesus welcomes anyone who comes to Him with faith. To Jesus, only faith matters. What is faith? Faith is to trust Jesus, focus on Jesus, think of Jesus, look at Jesus. In this hope, if we just go to Jesus, our problem will be solved. Let us then come to Jesus by faith, and He will solve our problem and difficulties. May God bless us.